Welcome to my channel once again. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how you can write a lesson plan with an AI tool. The AI simply means artificial intelligence. But before we start, I want to inform you that on this channel, we talk about how to make money online. We talk about how to learn graphics design. We talk about how to develop websites and every other IT related skills that you need to know in your life. Now, technology has come to stay and it has come to help mankind solve some kind of problems that we are facing in our day-to-day lives. So, in this lesson, I'm going to show you how you can write a lesson plan with an AI tool within 1 minute. So let's quickly launch our browsers and go to this particular website. So this is the interface of the website. This is the interface of the website. So you can take your time and go through all that we have here. So let's quickly come to the down here and enter prompt. Enter prompt. So we want to create a lesson plan for basic 7 in computing. So type this, create a lesson plan for basic 7. Good. So you click on this arrow here to see what will happen. Let's click on that arrow and see what will happen. So the system is now generating our lesson plan for us. So let's scroll through and see. So the subject here is computing. The level is grade 7. Topic, introduction to computers. Because I did not select any topic, so the system has decided to select the first topic in computing. Alright, so you can see the learning objectives here, the materials that you use in treating that particular topic. We use the computer, the whiteboard or the projector, the markers or pens, and we also use paper. Okay, so now these are the procedures that you need to follow when treating this particular topic. So we have the differentiation here, we have the assessment section here, we also have the closure here, and we have a lot of things. So if you want to edit this particular lesson, or you want to change something here, you tap on the pencil icon, to change it. So let's say we want to write a lesson plan for basic 7 on. So the name of the website is bad.google.com. bad.google.com. Health hazards in using ICT tools. So on health hazards in using ICT tools. Then you click on update. Click on update here. And let's see what the system will bring out. So the system is now generating our lesson plan on health hazards in using ICT tools for computing basic 7. So now the topic is here. Now we can see the topic. Then the duration or the time. We can see the time here is 45 minutes. The objectives. The objectives are here. Materials, procedures, introduction. We have the introduction, the body here. We also have the conclusion, the assessment column, and then we have the differentiation here, the extension here as well. So this is the shortest way, the modern way that you can create a lesson plan using the AI tool. I'll turn on the notification button as you wait for more important videos like this